Okay, you guys, hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl KK, and I am back with another video. I know it's been a cool minute since I posted on this channel, so let me start by introducing myself, right? So I am a licensed cosmetologist. I am located in Rialto, California. I am a cosmetologist, but I really mainly focus on wigs and weave installs. I also am a wig maker, so I've been making wigs probably for about, I want to say 5 years now. I started, 6 years. I started in 2019, you know, right before COVID hit or whatever. And then I just been doing it since then. During COVID, I kind of developed more of my skills because I was just sitting at home basically, really, you know. So I started just making wigs, and that was just what I dove into during that off time. I was just making wigs. So that has become my profession. I also sell hair extensions. I do have a website. It's called heavensenthair.net. You can go on there. You can purchase your wigs. You can purchase bundles. I have pre-made wigs that come from a factory that are 13x4 because I don't make 13x4 wigs. And then I have my wigs that I've custom made that are 4x4 or 5x5. I'm gonna show you the hair that I have. It's sitting right over here if you can see. I'm gonna show you my hair. What else? I do have a salon, a garage salon. Hold on, it's a car. I do have a salon suite inside of my garage. I have built all of this myself. I don't know if y'all can see, but I do have a shampoo bowl right there. The water buckets, that's where they go. I have my pressing comb, my sewing machine here, all my hair stuff, all my tools or whatever, the whole shebang. I get it done up in here. Facing me, I have my TV and my big mirror right here. So it's a whole salon suite, it's a whole vibe. I did build this whole wall that you see that goes down and around. I built that whole thing. So yeah, I do work from home. I'm a home-based stylist, but that ain't stopped nothing, okay, baby? Because I still get that coin, okay? I still slay y'all, okay? I got a big old light up here. I see everything. Yes, anyways. Let's get back to the main thing of this video. The main thing of this video is for me to advertise the types of hair that I do sell to you guys, because I just feel like y'all really don't know, and I just want to put it on Front Street and let y'all know, baby, I'm selling hair and this is the hair that I'm selling. Hey, I am KK, your girl KK. I am a hairstylist, wig maker, and hair extension seller, connoisseur, if you will, okay? So yeah, that's me. That's what I do. I love to do this. It's been a minute since I posted on this YouTube channel, and I'm gonna get back into it. I want to show you guys the hair that I sell. I want to show you the ins and outs of me in everyday business life. So I figure, what better way to do that than to really just make videos about it. I just want to just make YouTube videos, share with you guys my journey of starting a business. I have started many of hair businesses. Sorry, it's a habit to comb my hair out. But I've started many businesses. I probably started my hair business back in, I want to say 2016. You know what? I've been making wigs before that. I've been making wigs since 2016, but I have become but that was handmade. I started making sewing machine wigs in 2019. That's when I kind of learned how to do that, when Arrogant Tay came out and the girls was eating him up, okay? But I've been making wigs and I've been selling hair since about like 2016. It's always been my passion. I got inspired by a girl I went to school with. Her name is Terry Styles on here on YouTube. I did go to beauty school with her. She was selling wigs, baby. She was doing weaves at the school, baby. She was making bread. And I was like, I want to do that like that. I finally found something that brings me passion. So shout out to Terry, because the girl is still doing her thing. But yeah, you was my inspiration, boo. Ain't gonna hide no flowers. I'm gonna give you your flowers when you deserve them, okay? Anyways, yeah, so I've been in the hair business for a long time. I've made some mistakes, I've made some money, I've lost some money, and so I do want to encourage anyone out there who wants to start a hair business that has a passion for it. I want to encourage you guys to keep going, keep doing it, because every fail is a lesson learned, you know? So every time I failed at something, I know, oh, okay, I'm not gonna do that again, because that really did not work out for me. It's been a long time. I'm true to this, never new to this. I have a tried and true method. I have tried and true hair that I sell. This is really good. I sell raw Indian hair, also raw Vietnamese hair, because if you don't know, they got that Burmese curly on lock, okay? Like, they know how to do it. My Burmese curly bundles are beautiful. I love them. But anyway, without further ado, this is my Burmese curly hair. Now, this hair has been washed and dried multiple times. Got it from my vendor, because when you get it from the vendor, it still has just a different kind of smell to it, and I wanted to make sure that it was clean. I wanted to make sure that there was nothing left over in it. There were no hair products that I wasn't familiar with. I want to make sure it's clean when it gets to you guys, so I have washed this hair multiple times. This is 3 bundles of my Burmese curly hair. It's so soft, so fluffy, so silky. Let me see if I can differentiate the lengths for you, okay? Because eyeballing has never been my strong suit. Okay, so this is the 16-inch in my Burmese curly hair. Burmese curly bundles, and these have air dried, mind you, with no product in them. They don't have any product in them. I don't put product in it before I ship it to you guys, because I want you guys to get the full effect of the natural real hair, the realness, but I can recommend some products for you. I like to use the Carol's Daughters black vanilla bean oil. I love that stuff. It makes the hair so shiny, so silky, and it's very lightweight. This is the 16-inch. This is the 18-inch. They look the same length, but trust me, they're not. The 18-inch is a little bit longer than the 16-inch. And mind you, the hair is measured at its stretched length. And then this one is a 20-inch. These are the lengths that I have in stock. Now, if you want to order from my website has, it says that everything is available, but also note that everything takes 14 to 20 business days to ship. So keep that in mind when you are ordering, because it is on a pre-order system. So when you purchase it, I will purchase it, and then I will get it, treat it, and send it to you. But nonetheless, I will have a few of these bundles in stock, like 16, 18, 20. I will have some of these in stock. So if this is what you want, then you can probably get it sooner. No guarantees on when shipping could be, because I don't want to promise anybody something and not deliver. I don't do that. So just please wait the 14 days. If you have a trip or a birthday coming up, please make sure you order your hair in advance. I always tell people that whether my shipping was 14 days or not, order your hair in advance, because you never know what can happen. Right? Anything can come up. It could be a delay. It could be another pandemic or something like that. It could be the damn boat that caught on fire that the hair was coming from. You never know, right? So you want to have enough time to be able to say, okay, I want to purchase again, or I want different hair, or I want to go somewhere else. You have time to make other arrangements. Now, these closures are for when I'm making my wigs, but as you can see, the hair is nice. It is uniform curls. They all have the same bouncy curl, but you can separate them. They all are like curled at the end. They have this coil at the ends of them. Ends are really, really nice. This closure, like I said though, is for me to make wigs, because I do like my flat closures when I'm making wigs, because I don't like that border. That's what they call it. So on these, my closures are flat, but mind you, I'm making wigs out of these. So these bundles will be used to create the custom wigs that'll be on my website, the ones that I custom made, that have a dome cap, that if your measurements are correct, they will fit like a cap on your head. Like it would just fit like a hat on your head. That's how this wig fits for me. It just fits like a hat on my head. Now, when I say custom, let me explain this to you, because there's a difference between a custom wig for you and a custom wig that I just created. So when I just create custom wigs, pre-handmade wigs, they're with generic measurements, but they're on a different type of cap, and they should fit snug like a glove, you know what I mean? But then if I make a wig just for you, that wig is only gonna fit you. So if I make a 23-inch wig with the generic list, with the generic sizes that you see online, that'll fit anyone with a 23 size head, right? But if I make a wig for you and your head size is a 22 and a half, that wig is only gonna fit you, or anybody who has a 22 and a half head. It's only gonna fit you, because it's gonna be your size circumference for 22 and a half. The back of your nape is gonna be ear to ear on your head, and everybody's head shape is different, you know what I mean? And that's a custom if you want your own hair just custom made just for you. Okay, I make wigs generic sizes because there's a lot of times where you go to your vendor and you get a wig, but it's never the right size. Or a lot of times they don't advertise what size the wig is. So you can be a size 21 head shape, but you just ordered a wig from Amazon or wherever and it came in a 23 size, and now you have this big old gap in the back of your head, and you asking your stylist, can she tuck that in, can she sew that down or something? Nobody wants to deal with that, because then it makes the wig look crazy in the back because you got this little bump right here in the back. I don't like that. So I started making custom wigs with custom measurements, and I list them on my website to let you know, hey, this is the 21, this is the 22, this is the 23. And all the wigs that I make, you can request that I make one specifically for you for your head shape, if that makes sense. You kind of just, I'm gonna try to figure out the website to where there's a form or something like that, and you can just let me know, hey, this is my head shape, I want a large, medium, small type of wig type of deal, right? So that's why I make the wig. Sorry if I'm rambling. When I get to talking, baby, I just can't stop. But anyways, let's move on to my next texture. So the first texture was Burmese curly. That's my #1 texture for the summer, because you know the girls gonna eat that up. It's hot. And then, oh, also my hair is raw Indian hair as well. This is a light brown. This hair is old. I've had this hair for at least 3 years. At least 3 years. And yeah, it still looks good, still looks shiny, still looks silky. It ain't the best flat iron job, and I do have bangs on this wig. I just don't wear it often, but this is how this wig is supposed to look. This is how it should look. That's why I look all pushed over to the side like that, because I just didn't want bangs in my face for this video. But the hair is really good hair. I have not replaced the closure or anything like that. I did custom make this wig. I would show y'all what it look like, but underneath this cap, baby, it's a horror story. You don't want to see that. We don't talk about Bruno. But anyways, let's move on to my next texture. And as you can see, this texture is my wavy. As you can see, this is my wavy texture. This is my wavy closure. This is a 4x4 closure, because all my wigs that I make right now will be 4x4. And I really just ordered this wig just so that I can take my own stock photos from my website, and so that I can make wigs. I do have another shipment coming in, and that shipment will be the shipment that gets sent out to customers that order it. So I hope that y'all get it while you can, okay? I hope it's a lucky somebody out there that can get these bundles, okay? But fret not, because you can always order, and I'm gonna send you yours, okay? These are just on hand. But this is the wavy. Now all of the hair has just been washed. All I've done to it was wash it, deep condition it, put a silicone treatment on it, and you rinse it and let it air dry. That's all that I've done to these bundles. That is the wavy. You can see the waviness more in the actual bundles. This is natural wavy, so some are more wavy than others, but for the most part, they're all pretty uniform. You can wear all of these together and no one will think anything different. And some waves might be a little looser because I probably just laid it down or something while I was drying. I just got these clips, these hook things on. 16-inch bundle. Sit all the way back so you guys can see. 16 inches, starting with the bottom, going to me will go right above my breast, right on my breasts. That's 16. I really cannot eyeball. This is 18. 18 goes a little bit past my boob. 18 inches of natural wavy. And then this is a 20-inch. So these are the lengths that I will have in stock. These are the lengths that my customers mostly purchase. So when they're getting sew-ins or a wig or something like that, these are the lengths that they mostly get. So around 16 to 20 inches is what's normal for me. So that's what I keep on hand. But my vendors do go up to 32 inches. So if you needed that, you can get that. Okay. This is the raw Indian wavy. Now, last but certainly not least, baby, we have our natural straights for the girls who love to wear their hair bone straight. Now, mind you, I did wash this hair, so no, I did not wash this hair. I have not washed this hair yet. This is straight from the vendor, but I do love how straight it is. So I took my pictures like this on it. But maybe I'll do a video of washing my straight and drying it so you can see. And let's start again with the bundles. This one is a 16-inch. Look at this hair. Look at how luxurious this hair is. This is so much hair. This is literally like, it could literally be 2 bundles like of some other type of hair. This be 2 bundles, baby. As thick as this hair is, ain't no way. Ain't no way. From root to ends, this hair is full. I believe this is the 18-inch. Yeah, got it right. This is the 18-inch bundle. I wish I wasn't wearing a black shirt so y'all can really see where it comes all the way down to. This is straight, so it goes a little past my boob rather than the curly or the wavy, because it does have that bend in it, so it's not as long as it could be because it's kind of curved. And this is a 20-inch bundle of raw Indian straight. 20 inches will go to my stomach, literally to my stomach right here. Okay guys, so those are the 3 textures that I will be selling on my website and in person, and I will be making wigs out of these 3 textures. You guys can definitely click the link down below. That'll be the link to my website and to my booking site. Also right now, let me tell you what deals I'm having. So because it is summertime, I'm giving you guys a $25 off any set of 3 bundles, $25 off any revamp service, and $25 off of installs. Okay, but here's the kicker: when you book with me through StyleSeat and you book an install, you get $25 off that install. But then if you wanted me to revamp your wig the same day and apply it, those revamp services are only $40 when they're combined with an install. And mind you, the install is already $25 off. So if you get a wig revamp, then you're literally saving $50, right? And then you're also saving $25 on the install. So that's a $75 deal that I'm offering right now. Like, it sounds crazy that I'm giving y'all $75 off of a service, 2 services at that, but it's real. It's really, really real. That's really what I'm doing this summer. So go ahead and click the link down below. It is my link tree. It will take you to my website or to my StyleSeat so that you can book. And when you book on StyleSeat, everything is already applied at checkout. The code's already applied. You don't have to do anything extra. It's just pick your service, pick your day. And that deal, the $25 off, only goes for the installs. So that's whether it be a weave, a sewing weave, a quick weave, or a wig install. The $25 off is only for those. When you get a revamp service, if you want the $25 off a revamp service, you have to order on the website. If you're only getting a revamp, if you're not getting an install, if you want to send it to me and I will send it back to you, and you want your $25 off, you want the revamp to be $65 instead of $90, then you would order that through the website. So click the link tree down below. It'll have both my links in it. I will write it in the description what I'm actually saying if it sounds confusing to anybody, so that you kind of know what the deal is. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in to see what type of hair I offer. Stay tuned for more videos, because like I said, I will be giving y'all life updates. I will be showing y'all things that have happened in my business. I'll tell you how I got started in my business if you wanted to, at this time, like how I've really been able to achieve the success that I have right now. And again, these are the 3 textures that I am offering. So we do have Burmese curly, natural wavy, and natural straights. We have these bundles in stock right now. I will be making wigs. If y'all want to see me do a wig video, then stay tuned, because I think that's gonna be my next video, because I might just make some wigs today. Who knows? I think that's what God is telling me to do. He like, make the wigs and put them on that website. So I'm gonna follow the good Lord, okay? Follow the Holy Spirit, because he ain't never led me nowhere wrong, okay? Every time I follow God's direction, it always leads me to success, okay? I'll be a fool to disobey the Lord. Anyways. Praise God, and I will see y'all in my next one. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe, so it don't cost nothing. Yeah, I still got that tagline, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next one. Peace.